Hello, today I will show you how to check your battery health with an Ampere app on ASUS ZenFone M2. First, go into the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and type in Ampere. Finally, tap Install. It may take a while, just wait for the installation to complete. When the app is ready, tap Open. Now you will have to close down all the menus. And finally, you will be left with all the information about your battery health. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.